How to view Trust Wallet transactions in 2 minutes. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can view your transactions. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Trust Wallet application from your device. Make sure that you are logged into your Trust Wallet account, and at the home page you will see different types of token. Now, in order to view the transaction of every token, all you have to do is tap onto any one of the tokens that you would like to view the transactions of. And just like so, you will be able to see all the transactions that has taken place till date. In my case, I have not made any transactions, so it says that transactions will appear here. But if you had made any transactions, you will be able to see all in here. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us.